Hi, I'm Jennifer Ledworth of Scholar Ready here with a scholarship search strategy. Many of you are often asking me, how do I find scholarships? And here's a great strategy for finding scholarships. Let's start with Google or your favorite search engine. And the first thing you need to do is figure out what scholarships are posted by the counselors at your high school. So let's say that I am a student at C.E. King High School in Houston, Texas. I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to search C.E. King High School. Oh, it completes. And then after C.E. King High School, I'm going to enter counselors. All right. Going to go to the counselors page. All right. Once I get to the counselors page, I'm going to look for information about scholarships. So I see College and Career Center. And then I see educational resources. And then I see scholarships in this list. I'm going to click that. And then here is the 2025-2026 scholarship list for that's posted by the counselors at C.E. King High School. I like scholarships that are posted by counselors because generally the counselors are vetting the scholarships to make certain that they are credible awards for students to pursue. What I want you to realize is these lists are not complete. The counselors will be updating these lists as the school years go by, or as the school year goes by. So you need to save this page so you can return to it throughout the year for your scholarships. But this is a great resource. This scholarship list includes local scholarships. For example, the Houston Gulf Coast Alarm Association Youth Scholarship Program. It also includes national awards such as the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship Program. There's so many, it just varies with different amounts, different requirements. You all check this out. And some of you may be saying, well, Jennifer, I want to expand my pool of potential scholarships. Okay, well, if that's the case, then what you want to do is you want to go to a school that neighbors yours. For example, C.E. King High School is near another high school called Summer Creek High School. And it doesn't matter if the school is in another school district. It's, think about schools that are close to your school. So I'm going to Google Summer Creek High School counselors. And I'm going to go to the counselors page. And I'm going to look for something about scholarships. Maybe maybe I went too far. Let's see if I can find scholarships. All right, maybe let me keep looking. All right, and that's the thing. You want to be persistent in looking for these resources. Sometimes it falls under the seniors. Sometimes we see it in the seniors. I don't see that here. Let me go back up. But I want to encourage you to be patient as you're searching for this information. I'm going to go to College Career Center. And let's see if there's something in here about scholarships. So see, here we go. Look, scholarships right here. So if you notice, the scholarship database is here. So here are some other scholarships that students can apply to. Again, we have a mixture of local scholarships and national scholarships. For example, the Mensa U.S. Scholarship is a national scholarship. The Houston Hispanic Architects and Engineers Scholarship, that's a local scholarship. The Vincent and Elkins LLP Scholarship is local as well. So there's a variety of scholarships for you to choose among. And of course, you can click the View Google Sheet to be able to see more. And again, these pages are updated throughout the year. Counselors do a wonderful job of updating this information. So boots on the ground, you're looking for your scholarships. Start with your school counselor's website and then look at those counselors' websites of neighboring schools. This is Jennifer Ledworth of Scholar Ready, and here with your scholarship search strategy.